ugly act of illegal dumping is an intentional act, and I just believe that $500 is a little low.
And the penalty for illegal dumping will be twice the proposed amount. The law department asked the council to approve an amended ordinance with the fine for a first-time violator is $500, but councilors upped it to $1,000, and anyone convicted of illegal dumping twice or more could be fined up to $2,500 plus restitution for cleanup.
We need to send a stronger message that our city doesn't tolerate actions that hurt others, especially in neighborhoods. These illegal dumping sites then become a safety hazard for people in our community.
Well, the city not only going after people who illegally dump, they're also targeting those who own the vehicles or trailers that are used in the dumping. They could be fined the same. Another amended ordinance pertains to loud noises. Fines range from $500 to $1,500. There are two ways the city can prosecute noise violations. One is an actual decibel reading. The other is if a person with reasonable sensibility says it's too loud. The police department says this is another tool for them, but they might not use it all the time.
We also want to make sure that we're not recklessly chasing a motorcycle or a vehicle that's making loud noise through the downtown area on a Saturday night when it's packed, putting people at risk.
He says police will do special assignments in areas with noise complaints as well as use technology to crack down.